Hey there, welcome back to the channel, your hub for restaurant success tips and tricks. Today we are diving into the world of Uber Eats retailer login. If you are ready to take your restaurant's online presence to the next level, you are in the right place. Let's get started. As a restaurant owner or manager, accessing your Uber Eats retailer account is a key to managing orders, updating menu and tracking performance. Today I will walk you through the step-by-step process of logging in. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Whether you are using Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other browser, type restaurant-dashboard.ubereats.com. You will be directed to Uber Eats retailer login page. Here, enter the email address or password associated with your Uber Eats retailer account. Then click on Next. Once you have entered your login credentials, click on Sign In button. This will initiate the login process and grant you access to Uber Eats retailer dashboard. If you have forgotten your password, don't worry, you can click on Forget Your Password and follow the instructions to reset it. After successfully logging in, you will have access to Uber Eats retailer dashboard, where you can manage orders, update menus, view analytics and more. And there you have it. You are now logged into your Uber Eats retailer account, ready to take control of your restaurant's online presence. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more restaurant management tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.